Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on Windows EC2 Instance. Today, we'll explore how to set up and manage Windows servers in the cloud with AWS, covering everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. Imagine you have access to an on-demand, flexible computer that you can scale up or down whenever your needs change, without having to invest in physical hardware. That's exactly what Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2, offers. Part of the Amazon Web Services, AWS, suite, EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the cloud, reducing hardware costs and enabling faster application development and deployment. What is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 is a service that lets you launch virtual servers, called EC2 instances, on the AWS cloud. You can create as many instances as you need, configuring each one's security, networking, and storage to match your requirements. It's as simple as selecting an instance type and launching it, knowing that you can always add more if demand increases. And when things quiet down, you can scale down to reduce costs. Each instance type is tailored with a different balance of compute, memory, network, and storage resources, allowing you to optimize costs and performance. Key features of Amazon EC2. EC2's rich feature set makes it flexible for many different use cases. Scalability, you can start with a small instance and scale up to a larger one if you need more power, or downsize if you don't need as much. Choice of operating systems, you can run Windows, Linux, or other operating systems, depending on your needs. Flexible configurations, EC2 offers a variety of instance types and sizes, which we'll cover shortly, so you can pick exactly the right setup. Automated backups and snapshots, EC2 lets you create backups of your instance so you can restore it if needed. Security, you can control who can access your instance and keep data safe with AWS's security features. Types of EC2 instances. AWS offers several types of instances to suit specific needs. General purpose, this type of instance is perfect for everyday tasks like hosting websites or development environments. A T2 micro instance, for example, is ideal for low-cost, general-purpose tasks. Compute optimized, this type of instance is best for tasks requiring heavy processing power, like scientific modeling or large-scale data analysis. Memory optimized, this type of instance is built for applications needing significant RAM, such as large databases or in-memory data processing. Storage optimized, this type of instance is ideal for applications needing fast, large-scale data access, like big data processing. GPU instances, this type of instance is equipped with graphics processing units, ideal for graphics-intensive tasks such as gaming or 3D rendering. Benefits of EC2. Amazon EC2 offers several clear advantages. Cost efficiency, with EC2, you pay only for what you use. You don't have to invest in physical servers or maintenance, so it's cost-effective. High availability and reliability, AWS operates in data centers worldwide, so you can run your EC2 instance in a region near your users, ensuring fast performance and reliability. Flexibility and customization, choose from a wide variety of instance types, sizes, and configurations tailored to your needs. Secure by design, AWS provides various security features, like network firewalls and access controls, that help protect your data. Pricing models for EC2 instances. AWS provides flexible pricing options to suit different usage patterns. 1. On-demand instances, pay by the hour or second with no commitment, suitable for short-term or unpredictable workloads. 2. Spot instances, purchase unused EC2 capacity at significant discounts, ideal for non-critical tasks that can handle interruptions. 3. Reserved instances, commit to a 1 or 3 year term to save costs, perfect for steady, predictable workloads. 4. Dedicated host, a dedicated host in AWS is a physical server just for you, offering full isolation and control. It's perfect for compliance needs and ensures consistent performance for your applications. 5. Savings plans. Commit to usage for 1 or 3 years to save on costs, making this model ideal for consistent, long-term usage. Instance states. Amazon EC2 instances have several states that reflect where they are in their life cycle, and understanding these states helps you manage and control costs and performance. Pending. When you first launch an instance, it enters the pending state while AWS allocates resources and prepares the instance. This is a temporary state, and the instance will soon transition to running. Running. In this state, your instance is fully operational, and you can connect to it, run applications, and access its storage. Note that once an instance is in the running state, you're billed for it based on your selected pricing model. Stopping. When you stop an instance, it enters the stopping state temporarily. AWS shuts down the operating system and saves the current state, making it ready to restart when you need it. Stopped. In the stop state, the instance is not running, but the storage, called EBS volume, is retained. You won't be billed for compute resources, but you'll still pay for storage. Terminating. When you no longer need an instance, you can terminate it. It enters the terminating state while AWS shuts down and deletes it permanently. Terminated. This is the final state, where the instance and its associated resources are fully deleted. A terminated instance cannot be restarted, so if you need the data, make sure to back it up before terminating. Destroyed. In AWS, this state indicates that an EC2 instance has been terminated and cannot be restarted or recovered. All associated resources are released. Popular use cases. Amazon EC2's flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Here are some popular use cases: website and application hosting. You can use EC2 instances to host websites or web applications with scalable compute power. For example, using EC2 with a load balancer enables you to distribute traffic across multiple instances, ensuring high availability. Development and testing environments. EC2 instances provide a cost-effective way to set up development and testing environments that can be adjusted according to demand. Teams can spin up instances when they need them and shut them down to save costs. Big data processing. EC2 supports data-intensive applications like data analytics, machine learning, and batch processing. EC2 instances can be scaled up or down as required, making it an efficient choice for processing large datasets in parallel. Machine learning and AI workloads. EC2 offers GPU instances specifically designed for compute-heavy tasks, such as training machine learning models and running complex AI algorithms, making it popular in the data science community. Gaming servers. For online gaming applications, EC2 instances provide the performance and scalability needed to handle varying levels of user traffic and ensure low latency connections. Disaster recovery and backup. EC2 can also be used as part of a disaster recovery plan. You can keep backups of your on-premises data and applications in EC2, ready to spin up as needed in case of a system failure. High-performance computing, HPC. For fields requiring significant processing power, like scientific research, simulations, and financial modeling, EC2's powerful instances support parallel processing and high-speed interconnects to accelerate computations. Additional tips. Things you should do to optimize EC2 usage. Monitor usage. Use AWS CloudWatch to track resource usage for optimal performance. Autoscaling. Configure autoscaling to add or remove instances based on demand, saving money while ensuring performance. Stop instances when idle. Avoid unnecessary charges by stopping or terminating instances when they're not in use. Setting up EC2. Setting up an EC2 instance starts with an Amazon Machine Image, AMI, a template with an OS, apps, and configurations, loaded into Amazon S3 and registered with EC2. You then launch virtual machines as needed, with flexible instance types in the AWS Marketplace for every budget and requirement. With Amazon EC2, AWS provides powerful, scalable cloud computing that's customizable and easy to manage. From simple web hosting to complex data processing, EC2 is a robust solution for modern computing needs. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.